Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to show you banana bread, how I make it. I had 3 ripe bananas and I will show you step by step. My channel is for beginners, so if you know what to do, then just skip it or watch something else. Start to turn my oven on for 375. That's the first step because that way gets warm by the time I am baking the banana bread. So I spray the mold. Okay, it's ready for me. I smashed 3 bananas. Now I will add a pinch of salt. Everything needs a little salt because that brings out the flavor. Then I add my eggs. I whipped it up a little bit. 2 eggs, 3 mashed bananas, 3 mashed bananas, and I will add my butter, melted butter, 1 stick of melted butter, but you will see the recipe on the YouTube site under show more. But this way, this is a new video. I had my other banana bread video like 7 years ago, but I tried to listen to customers. So the melted butter, 1 stick of melted butter. Then I can add the sugar. 1½ cup of sugar. Then I can add my 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You see, you just do this way, mix it well. I can add a little vanilla, like a tablespoon. This gives you good flavor. Sometimes I sift my flour, sometimes I don't. So this is 2 cups of flour. Sometimes you get little lumps, sometimes you don't. So that's why, depend on my mood. The banana bread doesn't have to be too fluffy, so you don't have to do it. But with other things, you really have to do it to make your cake better, much fluffier. So basically this was it for the banana bread, and I will add chocolate chips to it. My whole family likes it, so my neighbors like it, my friends like it. So I will add the chocolate chips in a minute. So I'm still mixing it, make sure mix well. Let me just put this out of the picture. We don't need these. Now I can add the chocolate chips. This is like a heap full of 1 cup of chocolate chips. Sometimes I add a little more, but right now I am showing you 1 cup, and you make the banana bread and you will decide you add more or add less. But you don't have to add the chocolate chip. It tastes really good without the chocolate chip too, but my husband lately likes it with the chocolate chip. I can add to my pan. Move it a little. And you have to bake it on 375 for 35-40 minutes. Every baking time is depending on your oven. I just try to turn, make sure the chocolate chip is evenly distributed. Okay, I can make it a little bit smooth, and I can put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Now it goes in for 35 minutes, and you will see it after it's finished. Just out of the oven. Now I have to wait until the steam loosen up the banana bread, and then I can turn it over, and then I will show you that too. So it's cooled a little bit, and now I can turn it over. And because I waited, this way it's nothing wrong with that, nothing, no breakage, no nothing. So basically you have to wait 5-10 minutes with the pan, because that way if you do it too early, then this will be breaking. This is still hot, but I have to show you how that looks inside. This look like this or look like this. It's delicious. I know you will like it. When you have 3 ripe bananas, you can make it, and then everybody will enjoy it. You can skip the chocolate chip, but I am telling you it's delicious with the chocolate chip. And have a nice baking with me. And you can serve it like this. And you can put a little, to look better, you can put a little powdered sugar on top, and it's delicious. I can't wait this cool off and then cool down, cool off, whatever. I like this. I don't know why I always say the whatever, but sorry. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream or any ice cream you really like, and I think your friends or your family will like this one too. I got the recipe from my sister-in-law a long time ago, and I changed it a little, but it's delicious. If you're serving the banana bread, it looks to me much nicer if you sprinkle it with a little powdered sugar. You can see the chocolate chip.